In the vast expanse of the cosmos, astronomers using the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, PAN-STARS, made a remarkable discovery: a mysterious object hurtling through our solar system at astonishing speed. The universe often presents astronomers with eerie and puzzling objects, challenging our understanding of the cosmos. One such enigmatic entity is Oumuamua, which first appeared in 2017, only to return with baffling attributes, leaving scientists with a cascade of questions. In this video, we delve into the intriguing story of Oumuamua, exploring its origin, unique characteristics, and the riddles it has brought to the forefront of scientific inquiry. The arrival of Oumuamua has sparked a global awakening, prompting humanity to recognize the value of comprehending the universe. While substantial efforts have been invested in space exploration, satellites, telescopes, and spacecraft, the sudden appearance of Oumuamua underscores our unpreparedness for encountering such enigmatic phenomena. As we delve into this cosmic mystery, we recognize that ignorance carries consequences we are reluctant to bear. The arrival of Oumuamua in our solar system in 2017 was a moment that captured the attention and imagination of scientists all around the world. Discovered by Robert Warwick through the PAN-STARS telescope, this enigmatic interstellar object immediately stood out due to its unique characteristics that defied conventional expectations. The PAN-STARS telescope, with its advanced technology, played a pivotal role in efficiently scanning the night sky and facilitating the detection of Oumuamua. Named after the Hawaiian words for scout or messenger, Oumuamua truly lived up to its name by becoming an object of fascination for experts across various disciplines. What made it even more remarkable was its age, estimated to be billions of years old, and its incredible speed of approximately 196,000 miles per hour as it journeyed from beyond our solar system. However, it wasn't just its speed that raised eyebrows. It was the object's peculiar shape and trajectory that left scientists puzzled and intrigued. The question of whether Oumuamua was a comet, an asteroid, or even an extraterrestrial craft ignited global curiosity, prompting observatories worldwide to join forces in the quest for answers. One of the most perplexing aspects of Oumuamua's behavior was its defiance of the sun's gravitational pull despite coming dangerously close to it. This behavior only deepened the mystery surrounding the object. Originating from another star system, Oumuamua entered our solar system at an incredibly unusual angle, which contributed to its fleeting visit and its ability to escape the sun's gravitational grasp, owing to its hyperbolic trajectory. Beyond its trajectory, Oumuamua's elongated shape was a striking characteristic, resembling either a cigar or a pancake with an astonishing aspect ratio of 6:1. Theories regarding its origin ranged from the aftermath of space collisions to fragments of planetary debris. The object's color, reminiscent of carbonaceous materials, added to the puzzle, as did its tumbling motion. Some scientists even speculated that Oumuamua could potentially be part of a binary system or had undergone a forced detachment. One of the most intriguing findings was the presence of non-gravitational acceleration, suggesting the influence of an additional force. The leading hypothesis involved outgassing. As Oumuamua approached the sun, solar heat vaporized its ice, effectively creating a miniature rocket effect that explained the deviation in its course. The object's low reflectiveness, about 5 to 10% of light, intrigued researchers due to possible dark materials or ice causing this. Some thought it might be an alien sail, but most scientists doubted this idea. Oumuamua's strange acceleration was like comets due to outgassing. Its low reflectiveness puzzle persisted, maybe due to dark substances or ice. It could be a comet, asteroid, or alien probe. Despite its short visit, Oumuamua sparked debates. The JWST telescope captured clear infrared images, revealing more about it. Project Lyra aims to explore sending a spacecraft to objects like Oumuamua. So, that's Oumuamua's journey, odd acceleration, J.Dostoevsky's help, and Project Lyra's exploration. The universe keeps surprising us. Like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Stay curious.